really cozy, fire's lit, and the restaurant is just over the road. That way? We are leaving Maydena. It is a wet day. Caution is advised. It was 3 degrees this morning and it is still extraordinarily cold. So the chances of ice on the road are high. Caution, 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 caution at all corners. Off the white lines, tyres will be freezing cold, white lines will be slippery, chances of diesel and fuels high. Very similar climate to the United Kingdom, this part of Tasmania, which reminds me all too well of why we left. Wet and extraordinarily cold. So I'm still in 5th gear around some of these damp corners, just to give me that little bit extra torque, remembering to use engine braking going in, acceleration coming out. But we're definitely dry here. Smell the wood smoke. I bet everyone's had their fire on overnight. Desperately cold. Beautiful scenery though. How far have we got to go? It's $210 a litre here. It's 66 if you go straight. So I'd rather get somewhere near Hobart where it's not, you don't have to sell a kidney for it. Must use a lot of fuel, that bike. He says 13 litre tank, and he only gets 220 out of it.
Well, he thinks 200, but he said he might miss that.
It's a big engine, eh? I tried to put the GoPro on, it just said no thanks. Quick fuel stop for some, but it was $2.09 a litre. I don't think so. We're just gonna go through showers all the way, I think.
just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till
Now we're on the outskirts of Hobart, but we don't think we can get into the accommodation until 3, and it's only 12:10.
this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you.
Reminds me of San Francisco.
If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Where do you want to go, Chris? Cafe? Lunch? So there's 101 cafes. If we just ride down the bottom till we get to a T junction, and then if we turn right on Harrington Street, If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Love you a long time.